Today we will be making self-watering pots from these mineral water bottles. First, cut the bottle in the middle. The upper part is your pot, and the lower part is your catch basin. Put a hole into this cap. You can also use a nail and hammer. Put holes at the bottom part of the container so there are more outlets for excess water. Then it's time to transfer your plants. This is my lemon seedling. This is tomato. This is my moringa, also known as malunggay seedling. The bottom part catches excess water when you water your plant. My lemon seedling grew a little taller. No roots yet at the bottom. This is now my moringa. The roots are already out. It will get water on its own from the container. It's taller than me now. 6 foot, I guess. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.